As Gautama Buddha said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. This profound wisdom reminds us that our thoughts and emotions shape our reality. By aligning our minds with the energy of wealth and abundance, we can unlock pathways to riches, perhaps even millions of dollars. Cinnamon, a symbol of prosperity and protection, is central to simple yet transformative rituals that can help us attract financial success. Imagine how a small, fragrant spice could become a powerful tool for guiding your life toward fortune and fulfillment. Today, we'll explore the fascinating practices rooted in ancient teachings, revealing how cinnamon can enhance your energy and draw wealth, money, and protection into your home and daily life. Welcome to Via Perennis, your gateway to exploring profound spiritual insights and their impact on your well-being. If you're new here, subscribe and turn on notifications to stay connected with our latest content. In Oriental philosophy, everything is interconnected, and the energy we cultivate within reflects in our external world. By nurturing positivity, gratitude, and mindfulness, we can align ourselves with the vibrations of abundance. Think of your energy as a radio frequency. When tuned correctly, it draws in the music of prosperity. However, negativity like doubt and fear can block this flow. By embracing mindfulness practices such as gratitude journaling, affirmations, and meditation, we align with the higher frequencies that invite wealth and success. Cinnamon carries a potent symbolic and energetic power. Used across cultures for centuries, it's not just a culinary delight, but a spiritual ally. Associated with protection and prosperity, cinnamon amplifies the positive vibrations needed to attract financial growth and ward off negativity. Let's explore simple yet impactful rituals using cinnamon to transform your life. One practice involves planting 3 cinnamon sticks in the soil of a snake plant, a hardy and air-purifying plant. This act harnesses the power of the number 3, a symbol of harmony, creation, and balance in many spiritual traditions. Placed near the entrance of your home or office, the plant invites positive energy, creates a protective barrier, and attracts wealth. Another way to enhance your finances is by placing 3 cinnamon sticks where you store money, whether in a safe, a jar, or a drawer. As you do, affirm, "My wealth is growing, and prosperity flows effortlessly to me." Cinnamon's protective and energizing properties create a powerful field around your finances, supporting growth and stability. You can also create a portable charm by using a small red cloth bag, a coin or banknote, and 3 cinnamon sticks. The red color symbolizes energy and prosperity, while the cinnamon acts as a beacon for wealth. As you assemble the charm, repeat affirmations like, "I attract success and abundance." Carry the charm in your pocket or wallet to keep this powerful energy with you throughout the day. For an added layer of prosperity, health, and love, you can prepare a water ritual. Infuse cinnamon sticks into a glass of water and place it where sunlight can charge it. This ritual amplifies positive energy and sets intentions for harmony and abundance in all aspects of life. By integrating these simple yet meaningful practices into your routine, you can harness the magnetic energy of cinnamon to attract wealth and prosperity. Remember, each step connects you to the universal flow of abundance, helping you unlock your true potential. Prepare a clear glass of water and drop 3 cinnamon sticks into it, imbuing each one with intention. As you say, "I am wealth" for the first stick, "I am love" for the second, and "I am health" for the third. Place this glass at the entrance of your home or office, or in both locations, to amplify its effect. This ritual focuses on what many consider the 3 pillars of a fulfilling life: health, wealth, and love. By positioning this charged water strategically, you create a protective and prosperous environment, inviting positive energy to flow freely throughout your space. Mindfulness, a cornerstone of Buddhist philosophy, is key to fostering abundance. By staying present in each moment, we align our thoughts and emotions with positive energy, creating an atmosphere conducive to prosperity. Practices like mindful breathing, walking meditation, and gratitude journaling clear the mind of negativity and reduce stress. This state of clarity connects us to the frequency of abundance, making it easier to attract wealth and happiness. Remember, living mindfully opens the door to endless opportunities and prosperity. In Buddhism, abundance encompasses not just material wealth, but also spiritual enrichment. The teachings emphasize balance, harmony, and contentment. A central practice is generosity, or dana, which creates positive karma and contributes to the well-being of others. Generosity extends beyond material giving. It includes offering time, knowledge, and compassion. Similarly, gratitude is a powerful antidote to scarcity. By appreciating life's blessings, even in challenging times, we shift our mindset toward abundance and attract more positive experiences. Mindful living, another essential philosophical principle, encourages us to be fully present, observing our thoughts, emotions, and actions without judgment. This awareness allows us to make intentional choices that promote well-being and prosperity. By integrating mindfulness, gratitude, and generosity into our daily lives, we align ourselves with the natural flow of the universe and lay the foundation for enduring abundance. As we conclude this exploration of powerful rituals inspired by Buddhist teachings, take a moment to reflect on the wisdom shared. These practices are not just about attracting material wealth. They offer pathways to spiritual fulfillment and deeper contentment. Whether you're planting cinnamon sticks for protection, charging your finances with positive energy, or carrying a charm as a reminder of your intentions, each ritual symbolizes your innate connection to the universe's boundless abundance. Thank you for joining me on this journey of mindful discovery. May these teachings guide you toward a life of wealth, health, love, and harmony. If you found this exploration meaningful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Via Perennis for more insights into living mindfully and abundantly. May the blessings of the universe flow freely into your life, enriching your path with peace and prosperity.